trying to be clean professionals here on a scrub and clean, as you can see, at the local Family Dollar or Dollar Tree, or no, Family Dollar, sorry. Scrape some of the stickers off.
Don't mind me, I just totally forgot.
So yeah, some of the stickers here. We went around the store and got all those up. So we're scraping some more off. We use a scraper. We normally don't use our hands. This is just for your video purposes because I happened to see this while I was walking by, and I'm gonna have to come back and get that. We got some more stickers over here we're gonna come grab. All right, got the whole store. Get all that stuff there. We'll get all that up. This nasty stuff here. And that's paint. That's not coming up. All right. So we just went around the whole store and scraped all these little hearties up. Saved a few for you. It's hard to shoot with the video. Need to invest in a GoPro. That way I don't have to hold it with one hand. Complete. We are finished. Floor is practically dry. Those are just wet marks here from auto scrubber, but everything else is dry. That's gonna dry. It's nothing's gonna be there. We got all the stickers up. Paint we can't do. They moved the things out of the way, the U-boats. They moved them all to one side. That's just wet. There was a big mark here in the middle of the floor. Got all that up. Like I just said, it's just moist. Stay tuned for the next cleaning.